We're going to continue working on our half steps and whole steps today. Part 2. So today we're going to focus mainly on our whole steps. A whole step equals 2 half steps. Of course, 2 halves equal a whole. We already know that. So how is it different from a half step on the keyboard? Well, remember our half steps were directly touching on the keyboard. Our whole steps are 2 half steps. So if we are going from this black key here to this white key would be a half, so I need another one. So, for example, this would be E flat to F, or from B to C sharp, or these 2 black keys. Notice each one of these keys, these whole steps rather, have a key in between them, which is our halves, right? And although these look like they're directly next to each other, if this black key were to be elongated, it would also represent a whole note, or a whole step, excuse me. All right, now what do whole steps look like on the staff? If we were using this note here, identified as an E flat, and we jumped over to this white key here, it is our half step where we're skipping a key, right? E flat, skip this white key, go to the next key. We're going to go to F. We want to use a neighboring letter name. That's really important. E to F, B to C, D to E, A to B, G to A, or going backwards, G to F, E to D, C to B. We always want to use a neighboring letter name when we're talking about whole steps. That's really important. All right, let's do some practice. What is the name of this whole step? Remember, whole steps must have neighboring or different letter names. Let's see which one we have in store for us here. A G and an A. What do you know? Those are whole steps. How do we know? We have this key right here in between them, this black key. Okay, so from this G to this G sharp would be a half step. From G sharp to A would be another half. 2 halves equal a whole. G to A is our whole step. How about this one here? Ooh, it looks like we're on a D to an E, another white key to white key. That's easy peasy. D to E, we know, is a whole step because of the black key that is in between them. Moving on to the next one. Ooh, we're starting on a black key. Let's see what's in store for us here. Black key to black key. Another easy one because we have this huge white key in between. When we have this white key in between, we are either dealing with C sharp, right? This is C, so this would be C sharp. This is D, this is D sharp. C sharp to D sharp. Or I can call them D flat to E flat, right? They are enharmonics. Okay. Another black key to another black key. Again, that's easy because we have that big white key in between them. We are dealing with F sharp to G sharp, or its other name, its enharmonic, G flat to A flat. Let's see what's next for us. A black key to a white key. This is a little trickier. Okay, B flat, skip this white key to C. B flat to C, again, a whole step. And finally, our other white key to black key possibility is E to F sharp. I hope this helps you better understand whole steps.